A minimum human error on the assembly line can lead to a final customer warranty claim. An automatic end-of-line system is a high-impact solution for quality inspection. Screws, studs, labels, clips. How do you ensure that parts are properly assembled? Eines presents a machine vision system as a quantitative alternative for automatic multi-error proofing. It is a technology that employs cameras and simple algorithms to automatically identify the presence or absence of components. It ensures not only that it is detected, but also that it is assembled correctly. The operator must place the part correctly in the cabin. The part is registered by scanning the label and the inspection starts. Different images are taken from different cameras to check components at all angles of the part. The images are saved and analyzed within seconds. At the end of the inspection, the operator can see the result on the HMI. If there is an error, the operator can access to the inspection list. It is also possible to see more data, such as the incorrect part and the camera that found the error. You can control and secure all data collection that enables you to explore and drill down inspection and build custom queries and traceability for continuous improvement. Are you ready to make your plant smart?